Hello team, in this video we are going to learn about front brake pad removal process for Ola S1X Gen 3 scooter. Let's get started. Remove the brake pads out of caliper. Now remove the caliper. Remove the caliper Allen to bolts using an H5 socket tool. Remove the brake pads out of caliper. Place the brake pads on the caliper. Locate the Allen bolts on the caliper and tighten them to secure the brake pads. Tighten the two Allen bolts using H5 socket tool. Place the caliper unit on the front suspension. Tighten the caliper bolts using H5 socket tool. Place the wheel and properly align the caliper with the disc. Insert the axle bolt and align it properly. Tighten the axle bolt to the specified torque.